Hey, welcome back to another video of Trading Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to cancel Webull application. To cancel your Webull application, you can simply contact support. Open the Webull application or go to the Webull website and navigate to the support section. On the phone, you can click on menu button, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, you can click on Help Center button in the shortcut. You can also send a request, explain that you want to cancel your application and provide any relevant account information to expedite the process. After that, you need to wait for confirmation. Webull support will confirm the cancellation once proceed. Alternatively, you can email Webull support team for direct assistance. You can email at customerservices@webull.us or you can call at 1-888-828-0618 for any issues or inquiries that need immediate attention. So that is how you can cancel Webull application. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.